Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Pause the video now and comment your answer before I show the solution. Let's take a quick look at our question. Let's start solving the problem from the beginning. The three numbers are simplified. Now we will do 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. If you solved it this way, you made a mistake because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. We code the order of operations as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses or brackets. A stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There's no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there's no order between addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Now, let's solve it again following the rule. First, we do the division. We wrote 3. Then we change the division operation to multiplication. We invert the fraction. 3 times 3 equals 9. 1 times 1 equals 1. If we divide, we get 9. This operation equals 9. Now we will do the multiplication. 9 times 3 equals 27. Our answer will be 27. We did both the incorrect and the correct solution together. And we learned the rule. I hope you understand. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.